Hello, guys. So we're going to start this week on our Africa map unit. So on Monday, we'll get our Africa map packets, and we're going to work on the political map. Tuesday, we're going to work on the physical map. Wednesday, we're doing the Africa culture assignment, and that will carry over into Thursday. And then we'll have the Africa current event. And if you finish the current event, or if you finish the culture assignment early, you can get the current event done in class too. You also want to study for the map test, and that will be on Monday as well. So on Monday we'll take the map test, and then we have a Lost Boys assignment about the Lost Boys of Sudan. Okay, and then we're going to start our migration unit the next day. All right, so let me go ahead and show you, and we'll have our starters each day as well. We didn't do a starter last week, so we're going to start off with a new starter. But let me show you the Africa map packet. I need to scan it into the computer, so it will be scanned, and you'll be able to click on a link that's here to do this. And then here's the political map and the physical map of Africa. So that will be where the Africa map packet is. Go down to Africa. Study help for the Africa test. There are a lot of countries in Africa. A lot. These are the countries that you want to study for your map test. And then here's the map game that you can play. So these are the ones you want to pay attention to, okay, and study for your test. All right. Then, okay, the culture assignment is going to be right here. Oh, I just need to make the introduction videos, and then that will be published as well. But you get to choose from the options: music for Africa, culture stories, or researching a country for your culture assignment. And then we have the current event and the Lost Boys of Sudan assignment, which that will be on Monday. All right, and that will be our Africa map unit. Have a great week.